chemicals find several applications in everyday life, from textiles to cookware and houseware, offering specific attributes including oil and water repellency. However, there is a challenge that needs to be addressed. The coatings that provide both water and oil repellency are made using a class of chemicals called PFAS, short for pair, and polyfluoroalkyl substances are a group of 4,700 man-made chemicals, presenting remarkable repellent properties owing to their unique structure comprising of carbon atoms and fluorine. This means that liquids and oils are repelled and form droplets on surfaces treated with PFAS. These chemicals, however, persist in the environment and tend to accumulate in plants, animals, and even humans. They have been linked with health problems such as infertility, chronic diseases, and even cancer. They have the ability to disperse extensively through both water and air, reaching distant locations. Recognizing the need for change, the European Union has taken action. In 2009, limitation in PFAS use occurred, while currently a complete ban on their production has been proposed. BIO-SUSHY Project aims to support towards this direction. BIO-SUSHY has the ultimate goal to replace PFAS coatings by using bio-based alternatives. These alternatives are derived from sustainable sources and offer the same impressive water and oil repellency properties. These materials will be tested and validated in various applications such as textile coatings, food packaging, and glass cosmetic packaging. By combining a safe and sustainable by design methodology, research and innovation in coating development, and computational modeling, BIO-SUSHY aims to achieve its objectives. The Safe and Sustainable by Design, or SSbD, framework is an approach championed by the European Commission to ensure that materials and chemicals are safe and sustainable from their initial design phase throughout their life cycle. The ESIV framework has two core components. 1. Redesign phase. Reimagining chemicals and materials with safety and sustainability since their conception. 2. Safe and sustainability assessments, evaluating chemicals and materials for their safety, performance, and environmental impact. In the case of BIO-SUSHY, this SSbD framework will be applied to advanced coating materials, providing guidance throughout the value chain and optimized through case studies. Therefore, the BIO-SUSHY project aligns with EU policy targets, including the transition to a circular and low-carbon economy and the European Chemical Strategy for Sustainability. But it doesn't stop there. The project will have a range of positive impacts. Firstly, it will focus on the reduction of PFAS in the environment, contributing to boosting research, development, and innovation within the EU. Additionally, it aims to enhance social acceptance of bio-based alternatives while providing new business opportunities for European small and medium-sized enterprises. To reach these goals, the BIO-SUSHY team consists of a well-balanced consortium, including 14 partners from 7 European countries and 1 EU associated country. Our consortium is joining forces, bringing their expertise in sustainable bio-based coatings development. To stay updated on our progress and witness the implementation of bio-based alternatives without relying on harmful substances, follow us on our social media channels and visit our website.